A quick look at the parts of an atom. This is a piece of pure sodium, one of the elements in table salt. It contains 26 billion atoms of sodium. Each sodium atom has a nucleus made of protons and neutrons. Neutrons do not have a charge. Protons have a positive electric charge, which makes the nucleus positively charged. A strong nuclear force holds the nucleus together. Electrons have a negative charge. As a whole, each atom in the piece of sodium is electrically neutral. This means that each atom has the same number of positive and negative charges. The total charge is 0. To become neutral, an atom must hold 1 electron for every proton in its nucleus. Electrons occupy spaces with varying distances from the nucleus. The rings in this model are simplistic representations of these varying distances. However, electrons are not really found in circular orbits like this. You'll soon learn more accurate ways to represent the locations of electrons in atoms. So we know each atom has a nucleus, which is made of protons and neutrons. We know the nucleus is surrounded by electrons, and that the number of electrons equals the number of protons. But let's take a closer look at an atom's structure. Are the protons and neutrons really as loosely packed in the nucleus as they appear in this model? Unlike this model, protons and neutrons are packed very close together in the nucleus. And does this model accurately represent the size of the nucleus when compared to the space the electrons occupy? It's difficult to represent the relative sizes accurately with a picture. The thing is, if the entire atom were the size of a football stadium, the nucleus would be about the size of a marble. So the nucleus is very, very tiny compared to the part of the atom that the electrons occupy. Like all models, this one has limitations, so keep that in mind when you think about protons, neutrons, electrons, and how they combine to form atoms. Key takeaways. To summarize, an atom consists of protons, neutrons, and electrons. Protons and neutrons form the nucleus, a tiny cluster at the center of the atom. The nucleus is very small compared to the whole atom. Electrons move around the nucleus in specific patterns. Protons and electrons have opposite charges that add up to 0.